Bet you can't guess what next week's video is going to be. That's right. We're back to our honey hole. There's our place we're digging out. This creek is dusty. It's kicking my butt. I brought my bazooka tube thinking we would have plenty of water flow. No. So it's been a lot of panning. But still, we're moving dirt. And moving some dirt is better than moving no dirt. But that's not today's video. Today's video is about a forge. A forge that was built all in the early 1900s from an 1800s horse-drawn manure spreader. We are doing a quick down and dirty restoration. Now, if you're expecting this to be something like we're stripping it all down piece by piece, we're polishing it all up, painting it all, no, we're getting it functional. So these are some of the common problems that you will see with a forge and a forge blower. So luckily our blower works very well. So this is just a quick down and dirty, get it working. That's the focus of this video. Oh, and by the way, to all of our new subscribers, welcome! What to get into, ooh, hello. We've yet to do this. Well, let's get cracking. The airway. That soak in there. If we can get these two bolts off, we can undo it all, clean out any gunk in there, and then we can fill this in. Look at that though. It's an old license plate. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Alright. There it is. Alright, so there's our bolt from right there. That was easy peasy. Heat it up and spray it down, cool it down with WD-40. And you see the result. We got good clean threads, reusable, so we can keep it original. Don't forget that can of WD-40. Use it to cool the metal down. Heat it up, cool it down, and be careful of this. Be careful of galvanized metal. See, that's about a yellow. This is galvanized. Breathing that stuff in, it ain't good for you. It's that easy. Seriously. Heat it up, cool it down with WD-40, let the WD-40 do its job, and you'll get nice bolts like that every time. And you see, even the threads look good now. All that is gunk and rust that's built up on it, and it's not aided away yet. So all the bolts off, and we're going to rotate this guy up. So moment of truth. Just grab it. Ooh, shake very, very gentle. Look at that. Ooh. Uh-huh. Yeah. So, I'm going to clean this out. I'll be back in a bit. That was in the pipes. Just look at that view. That's my view. Okay, first step. We got the air pipes assembled. We got them cleaned out. That's all the gunk. Either a rat or a squirrel. Quite possibly a rat. So let's give this thing a go. See if we're getting some good air. Yes, indeed. Say at this point, you got yourself a fort. But we're going to go a little bit further because we're a little bit pickier. You can use it just like this, no problem. But the next thing to do, all right, whole bag of Portland cement. It's going to get thrown into around here. It's old, it's dried up. We'll put that down as a base. We'll build it up. Back in a bit. Okay, it's getting dark. All right. Might put some more back here. Here we got fairly well. So keep at it. I can still see. Need to get back in here some more. Here's a bit that's going to have to be addressed. But yeah, we're looking pretty good. So there it is with the mortar and everything in there. Getting a fairly nice smooth finish. I'm going to put some more here. I got a wheelbar load mixed up. I'm almost got it all in here. This almost took a whole wheelbar load of almost straight pure mortar and Portland type in. See you in the morning. Let's see how it dried. Did it dry good? Did it dry good? Ha 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 ha. Yes, indeed. No cracks, nice and smooth. Yep, perfect. Nice, that'll be good and preserve it. Look who showed up. What's going on, Nathan? You're going to be on YouTube, man.
Okay, cool. I brought all kinds of cool stuff, man. Look what I got here.
Ha ha ha! The first firing. What do you think? He's not paying attention.
I think, we get the chance to say coal to fire up will be good. But somebody's going to have to be cranking on that with this stuff at all times. There you go. There you go. Right,
What do you think, Virginia Prepper?
It's just, we're getting there.
Oh, you're a prepper.
I am a prepper, absolutely.
I'm a mini prepper.
Oh man, we got good. It's lighting in there really nice.
Yeah,
What do you think, Nathan?
It's a workout. I think the workout. That 400 has got some torque to it.
Yeah. Well, I tell you, man, we got, next thing to do is to strip off all the rust and get it painted up.
Yep. That's 20 mule.
Yep. Yep.
I never tried to force you on anything that's thin. That's what I was seeing if it was enough to go together. So it liquefies, it's still going to come up. And
Yep.
then go back
Yep.
down, right?
It's expanding.
As
I might have
Nathan
heard-
gets his phone closer and he melts it.
You better not. It's the only source of internet I've got.
Say we're about ready for the pour. Ooh. So what's in the crucible, you might ask? What are you melting down? Stay tuned.